Hey guys, this is Gene Castro, another video on crypto mining, and we have Roy right here trying to play. And this is the last purchase I'm going to be doing for this year on GPUs. I told myself that I have a limit. So far, I have about 460 mega hash on Ethereum and about 70 mega hash on Ravencoin. I have a few 3900X CPUs. I also have about two 2700X. For this year, I'm done buying GPUs. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen with Ethereum once it goes to proof of stake. And after that, I start concluding what will be the best option if I should buy more GPUs and at what time should I buy it. Here I have about four 6600, two 6600 XT. I also purchased a few risers from GPU risers and some splitters. As well, I have some PCIe 124, and I have two of these. So my plan is to put all these GPUs into this rack. And I want to add these two GPUs onto this motherboard so I can have 8 GPUs on this single motherboard. So let's start the project. Hey guys, so I'm back. I actually installed all the GPUs. I'm actually missing one more. What I did, I put that single graphic card here. The reason why is that I was getting a lot of shutdowns and a lot of errors by having more of these 5 graphic cards for whatever reason. I'm not sure if it's maybe because of the PCIe or something in the BIOS, but so far it's working great with only 5 graphics card. What I managed to do, I put these graphic cards with this single motherboard as well. So right now I'm not having any issues and I want to keep it that way. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have these 1600s or 1600 XT cards, please let me know in the comment what you guys think about them and what has been your experience. I have a few of them, and I honestly, I'm sharing my experience with them. I love them. They are very efficient cards, and I think I'm going to be continuing to buy these cards more and more often. They are pretty easy to get. I actually get mine from Newegg. What I do, I actually buy the combos, and I find that to be pretty efficient that way. I'm not going to stop buying more graphic cards. My thing, I just want to time it properly. If the market goes down, I'm gonna start buying more graphic cards. If the market goes up, amen, I will most likely still buy a graphics card. But let's see. I'm pretty bullish on crypto. This is a long-term thing for me, and I'm pretty happy and excited to start this journey and to continue it. So until next time, guys, see you later.